right. So when we start with mathematics, right from a very, very beginning phase, just let me know, Trisha, if your friend has logged in because I have to accept her participant.
Okay, her
Yes,
name is
her name is
Pooja.
Pooja. Yeah. Okay. So welcome, Pooja, if you have signed in already. Yeah, I think she's here. So when I talk about mathematics, the child should know the digits as per the nomenclature, that this is number one, this is number two, just like how they are building up their vocabulary. They should know what a number one looks like, how a two looks like. In the initial years, only focus on 1 to 10. It has taken me around 2.5 to 3 years to come out of these numbers that I'm talking about, single digit number. And I'm going to give you a benefit that I have already spent 3 years only on these single digits, but right now we are comfortable till thousands. Okay, which means that if you are giving emphasis on the foundation year, it's time consuming, definitely, but it's going to show you magnificent result in the future. So the child 1 to 10 should be familiar with the name. They should do one-on-one correspondence, that this is 2, which means counting should be thorough. It's very, very basic. After this, if I start introducing, say, the numbers 11 and 12, parallelly, I will be using the Dean's block, which you can see right now. I am going to pin myself. If you can, I am on the other screen. Can you see me here? So this is, if you can see the Avnija Narayan's photo. So these are Dean's block, okay? This is very important for mathematics. One should have it. So this is 10 rods and the ones are like this yellow, okay? So when I start with, say, 11, 12, 13, I should start building up the numbers that this is 10, okay? And now it has to be taught to the child, how is this 10? If they count it, each small cube, 1, 2, 3, 4, adds up to number 10. So I slowly move on with this. I will just have the yellow cubes as 10, okay? And I'm going to show you how I was working initially. I have a dice over here, and this is my screen. So initially, this is known as cubitization, that this is 2, this is 3, this is 5. They are basically memorizing. They are memorizing the numbers through domino pattern. All right. So cubitization comes after domino, but we should not worry much about the terms. Okay. It is just like if they see the 4 dots on the corner and 1 in the center, this is 5. Initially, you'll have to make them count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is a 4. They have to play, they have to build these through any manipulative. It can be these cubes that you see, it can be Rajma, it can be cars, anything. But suppose if it's a car, the child has to place all the 4 cars in the corner like this. Once they are familiar with this, we have to go discrete and create any random pattern like this. But the child can read and just without counting tell you, because it is a mind mapping psychology and methodology, that they're going to say, okay, this is a 4. But otherwise, if we see here on the dice, this is exactly how a 3 look like, but I am going to make it like a 4, like this. Now they can group it. They can say, okay, this is a 3 and this is a 2, 3 and 2 is 5. So this is mental addition, which comes under the concept of subitization. I'm going to take you through subitization, but right now I want to tell you how can you introduce numbers beyond 10. So if I have younger kids over here, suppose Kriti, can you tell me, is your child familiar with all the numbers from 1 to 100? Can he tell, okay, this is an 86 or a 73?
No, no, not. I wouldn't say very thoroughly. Sometimes the child gets confused if I'm asking the child to write 43. Sometimes he writes 3 and then 4.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly. This is something that I am facing currently, right now
Yes.
also. I want to take everyone's attention right now, what exactly happens and what is the problem here. So Priyanka, I would want you to check this out because our kids are
Avni,
seniors.
is your screen visible to everyone, the other screen?
No, it won't be visible to anyone. Because you will have to drag me to the first part. The thing that you can see is the white notepad in front of you, but you cannot.
No, not even the dragging part. I can still see some picture there of some cartoon character. I don't know about others.
You can't see my note, right? You see the note page over here?
Yeah, note page I can see.
Is it,
You
just
can also pin Avni. If you pin her, then you will be able to see her screen.
Okay. So Kriti, pin my page, okay, so that you can see me all the time. All right?
Okay. No, the issue is not this. The issue is instead, like I wanted to know, you were showing them the
Teams block.
How are you showing it?
I have signed up from two Avni Janarayan. One is
Yes,
the
other Avni Janarayan in my account is only coming as a picture, as a cartoon
I
picture.
my video. Guys, can you see my video? I'm wearing an orange shirt. So
Yes.
Kriti,
Okay, then it's a issue of mind. Okay, I'll fix it.
थोड़ा scroll करोगी तो तुमको मेरा फोटो वाला दिखेगा, उसको पिन कर लो तो you can see me talking as well as this. Okay. So now this is a common problem. If I write 34 and a 43, my child writes it as equal to. This is very, very common mistake, and the concept is place value issue. If the child is not thorough with place value. Okay, I would say my child is even thorough with place value, still he makes this error. He's like, he will read this as left to right. He reads this as right to left, and both looks like 34 to him. The problem exactly happened here when we do the column addition. Okay, so 34 and say a 43, the child is doing from right to left. You got my point? The addition always happens in the column method that you have to do the ones first and then tens. Okay, so now he was doing 4 plus 3 is a 7 and this is also a 7. I would want to tell you, so how is this related to the prior issue that I'm talking about? He has the habit of doing the right first and then the left. Okay, so while he is reading the numbers, he is going to read this one as 43, but when this comes here, he will read this also 43 because he's going from right to left. The issue came because he was doing the column wise addition. Okay.
The issue comes even when we have not introduced addition of double digits.
Yeah, because then the problem is the place value concept.
Okay.
This is even if your place value is thorough, but since they are doing column method because of traditional method, or it is also a mandate somewhere, so this issue comes. Now, when I talk about a 43 and a 34, the child should know the position, that is tens and ones, correct? How are you going to teach everything together? So if you see, this is a 10 rod. Okay, so I would want you to get back to my screen again because I was showing you something. Now, can you see the table with some cubes laid out? Okay, I'm focusing only on the numbers 1 to 10. Initially, the child is going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will give this rod and ask him to measure them. Both looks 10 to us. So they are going to understand that 10 cubes of ones or one rod of 10 is the same thing. Okay, guys? And that's how, after playing a lot with these 10 cubes, later on when you give them this, they will be, okay, mama, this is 10. Now I start with the teen numbers, that is 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to take the 10 rod and then I'm going to place this. So they are going to say, 10 and 1 is an 11. 10 and 2 is a 12. 10 and 3 is a 13. Okay, here, if they know these domino number pattern, they're not going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. They know this is a 4. So this speeds up their mental addition, mental maths recognition. Now, this is a 5. Later on, what I do in my classes is I will go uneven about the pattern. Okay, so they know this is a 5, but right now I'm going to place it everywhere. So now they are going to mentally take it like in the mind only they drift it. Okay, ये सब mind mapping हो जाती है कि ये 4 दिख रहा है, ये 1, so this is 5. Now if I give you all these numbers over here, so this is a question to parents. Can you tell me what number is this? It is going to take some time, but over practice, the child automatically, circles this. Okay, 3 and a 3 becomes a 6 and a 3. Now they know कि 3 3 के जब 3 groups बन जाते हैं तो वो 9 हो जाता है. I have spent almost 4 years doing this because, we started quite early. We started when the child was 2.5 and 3. It's a very, very slow process. You would feel discouraged कि effect नहीं होता है, but ये उनके habit में आ जाती है, तो बाद में हर चीजों को ऐसा करते हैं. बहुत बार fingers में भी count करेंगे, but till the time they're giving you the right answer, I would say it is absolutely fine. आप अब मुझे ये पूछोगे कि इसका मैथ से क्या रिलेशन है? Okay, let me show you. Now I can see how it is helping him. Get back to my screen. When he has to add a 6 and a 3, okay, he is pictorially making those dots in his mind, and it's such a natural effect that even if he is not, it comes to the mind of the child. 6 and 3 tha. 6 is already 3 and 3 dots, and then another 3, it's 9. So this is what exactly I was telling. Suppose if I give him a question that you have a 31 rupee, I give you 7 more rupees. 5 seconds ke andar, he says it's a 38. Okay. Now, isme agar child is distracted, then I'm not going to say anything ki, okay, the answers are not coming, because boys being boys, most of the time they are distracted. Okay. If you ask them 43 plus 5 batao, 54 bol denge, because they are not attentive. So as parents or teachers, we have to catch up on the right time and challenge them. So while I was doing this with my daughter, it was really taxing because I had to do a lot of reinforcement. With my son, he did not like the Dean's block. He did not. He just refused the Dean's block. So in 10 minutes, I would urge you to rejoin. All right. So I gave him money. I gave him 10 rupee ke coins. I gave him 50 rupee ka note. I gave him 1, 2, 3 rupees ke coins. And that has helped him. That actually helped him because this was again guided by some parent. I tried and it helped. So any form of manipulative that you feel is useful, you can go ahead. Please just don't be only focused on Dean's block. But Dean's block is a mandate because later on, even in addition, like a 43 and a 34 or carry forward addition, it comes into play. I'm going to show you how. Okay, so now we were focusing on numbers like 11. Build the numbers, 11 say 20. You are going to take these and then you will side by side put all the small units, that the ones, and you're going to say that 1 and a 9 is a 9, sorry, 110. A 10 and a 9 is a 19. Rather than saying 1 and 9 is a 19, because 1 and 9 is a 10. Everyone knows that, right? The doubt. Okay. So slowly, for example, if I am working on team numbers, the hack here for quicker and faster result, what I did, I also worked on 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 till 100. इससे क्या हो जाता है कि आप parallelly 11, 12 तो सिखा रहे हो, but आप 21, 22, 31, 32 ये भी सिखा देते हो. Okay, now get back to my screen and I share how did I introduce all the 10s. So this was 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Again here, because the child had done domino before, the child can also relate this as a domino, that a 5 and a 5 is 10, which means 5 tens ke rod, another 5 tens ke rod becomes 10 tens ke rod, which is actually 100. I hope it is clear with everyone what I'm talking. Please give me a thumbs up. Side by side, along with number recognition, we are also doing place value. But we don't need to tell the child ki ye place value tha. Okay? So when he sees 3 tens, the child is going to say, 3 tens ke rod dikh rahe, mama. So this is 30. When you are doing this, I have missed out something, okay, which is I have not told you that along with number building, we have to also say that 30 looks like this, and then you have to put all the 10 ka rod next to each other. So either use a flashcard or ask your child to write, depending upon the child's age. If you want to do this with a 4-year-old, he may not be very good with his pencil grip, then you can use your flashcard. Now that they know, okay, 3 tens are 30, 4 tens 40, very slowly one day I'm going to say, okay, back to my desk. Which number is this? The child says, okay, this is a 40. Okay, now what is this? Okay, so this is 40 and this is 2, so it's a 42. बहुत ही smoothly introduction हो जाता है. अभी कुछ बच्चे ऐसे लिख देते हैं. This is wrong. This is what I'm talking about. Column addition का अगर बात करेंगे, on my note, just see tens and then ones ऐसे आता है, right? And then hundreds भी ऐसे ही आता है, which means that we are moving from right and going to left. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, then comes lakhs. All right, so it's always a movement here. So whatever the child does, ones would be first, then I'm going to move towards the left, then would be the placement of the tens, then comes the 100 and then the 1,000. All right, you have to be very, very stern with the placement. कहीं पे भी लिखने से नहीं होता. ये थोड़ी चीजें हैं कि ऐसे ही चलता है. All right, so now this is how one should introduce number recognition. All right, I would revise and summarize everything that I have just mentioned, that we start with numbers 1 to 10 corresponding with any object. That 1 का मतलब एक toy है, 2 का मतलब there are 2 toys, 3 का मतलब 3 toys. Then if there are 10 patterns there, 10 toys, the child will always count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's very taxing, time consuming. इसीलिए we introduce domino method, which means this is 5, 4 on the corner, 1 in the center, 4 on the corner, 1 in the center. 2 5s make a 10. For that, I have also used tens frame. So as soon as this meeting ends, I'm going to show you some powerful tools, which was actually an app which I installed on my iPad, and I used to play that with the kids. And there you'll see domino, there you will see tens. All right? See, stop. Okay, so once we are done with number recognition and we are also parallelly covering the concept of tens and ones, if I write 3 tens and 4 ones, you'll ask your child to build it up with the help of the with the help of the Dean's block. That 3 tens means place 3 rods. 4 ones means place those yellow cubes like this, and this is what a 34 looks like. So in all your mathematics session at home, this is what you'll be doing. For say 1 full year, your math is going to look like this, depending upon where the child is. If I start this with a 6-year-old, they will pick it up very fast. If I start it with someone who is, say, 4 or 3, they will do it very, very slowly. All right. Okay, next comes subitization. Subitization के पहले हम लोग ने domino effect पढ़ा, which was like these dot का pattern. After domino is done, we are going to place the dots randomly and ask the child, tell me what is this number. In their mind, they will make this is a 5 and a 2, which is a 7. Okay, so indirectly we are doing addition. This is a 10 frame card. ऊपर 5 रहता है और नीचे भी 5 रहता है. If these dots are filled up, top layer is filled up, we'll say, okay, ये 5 है. Now 5 and 1, 6, 5 and 2, 7, 5 and 3, 8. That's how you're going to introduce 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, which is like a 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 4, and 5 plus 5. Similarly, as I have said, that it can either be Dean's block, through Dean's block, ओके, ये रॉड्स जो मैंने आपको बताए हैं, या सेम कॉन्सेप्ट आप 10 फ्रेम के साथ भी सिखा सकते हो, विच इज, अब आपका जब एक 10 फ्रेम कंप्लीटली फिल्ड अप है, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and if I take another 10 frame and put a 1 here, we all know which number is this, right? It's an 11, correct? This is a 12, 13, 14. As soon as all these slots are booked, this become a 20. So you can use this also for a 31, 32, 33 to make stuff very interesting. कि अच्छा आज मेरे बच्चे को ये बहुत बोर हो रहा है, we should not use the 10 का rod. I would say okay, आप इससे कर लो. अच्छा ये भी बोरिंग हो रहा है तो कॉइन्स ले लो, 10 का कॉइन एंड अ 1, 10 का कॉइन एंड अ 2. But always make sure that your child is also writing. Whenever they are writing, please use our traditional math ka book as suggested by all the mathematics teacher. And tens and ones को पहले ही clear कर लो कि अगर हम 14 लिख रहे हैं तो हम यहाँ पर डालेंगे और यहाँ डालेंगे, because we know कि एक tens बन गया. Okay, let me give you an understanding over here. I am using this right now. So this is completely filled up. So it's a 10 and this becomes a 5. So under tens and ones, I will ask the child, how many tens do you see? So he'll say, okay, I see one full frame of 10. So under 10, he's going to write 1. How many ones do you see? So we see only 5 ones. So just imagine here, I'm not drawing, but say if we have 3 pieces of these tens completely, he has to see the tens separately and the ones separately. ये training होनी चाहिए. So वो बोलेगा okay 30 था, 3 tens थे and then ये 5 हो गया. अब ये 3 tens 30 कैसे होता है? How is these 3 tens 30? Because इसको तो हमने पहले ही कर लिया था when we were doing 10, 20, 30, 40. So as you see, all these have to be done in steps. आप आगे पीछे नहीं करोगे.